this black on black crime that's still high. I'm not saying that what's going on with the other side is right. But I'm just talking about black people right now, bro. We already broken from what the situation we got going on with the police brutality. We got our own government against us. We got hospitals against us. This is actually proof. And what I'm saying, you got black people killing each other, black people for no damn reason. Chicago's that's one side of the story. It's over there in Jacksonville. It's going in Baltimore. It's going all over the place.
It's everywhere.
And black people, then we got a Black Lives Matter movement that grows around. And this is my problem. Okay, this is what I'm going to get to. Let's say I'm a black man and I see a cop kill a black man on TV. Pissed off. F the cops. F the white man. I'm angry. I go out there, I retaliate. I get pissed off in the street. I get mad. I might loot and do whatever. 10 weeks later, a black man crossed me and I killed that black man. Now I'm not saying it's going different ways, but people are out there fighting right now. That's on our side. There are people of different cultures from around the world. Black Lives Matter. Blacks stop being killed for no reason. And then I turn around and I see my own people killing each other. How do you expect support from anybody if you can't stop killing each other? The world only changes within us, within your own community first. So if you're not willing to change within each other's community, you can't expect no other culture to respect you as a culture. Because the first thing they're thinking about is, why should I kill about that black man when that other black man just kill black people for fun? Sell drugs in our own community, prostitute our own females. Other cultures do the same thing, but right now I'm just talking about the black culture.
Yeah, that's true, man. That's run deep, man. It's just, and it's not just coming. It's coming from a generation too, you know. So it's just passed on, and I don't know if this gonna change, but it just need a change. You're like, if this could change overnight, it would be a wonderful thing, you know, just to see, you know, we on a path that we support each other instead of tearing each other down, you know. But it's a lot need to be changed. It's a lot, and I mean, if we could just take it one step at a time and just, you know, do it, you know, you see somebody out there, you know, need help, you know, you help that person, you know, or if you got beef with somebody, you ain't even gotta pull a pistol or you know, go fight or nothing. You know, you let that person be on the other side of the road, you on the other side of the road, and you just keep it moving, man. It's just you ain't gotta go that, because life is precious. You know,
it is.
Everybody wants they come to the point that everybody wants their life, you know, but when somebody gonna take your life, you actually begging, you know, but you quit to take somebody else's life at the same point, you know. And it's just, they don't really look at it like that, you know.
I mean, you know, like right now, I wish everything could change. You get what I'm saying? Like, but to be honest, I don't see this getting any better anytime soon.
Wow.
You get what I'm saying? It's gonna get worse. You get what I'm saying? But hopefully, I'll wake up tomorrow morning and everything changes, you know. But that would be a fairy tale. You know what I'm saying?
It's wild to me because you said it clearly right there. You know, it's generational. Now let's go back. Let's go way back for a second. Let's just imagine being on a slave ship. Imagine landing into a country that you may not know. Now, some of us didn't know the country. We're gonna go. That's not a history lesson today. Right now, we're just talking about the story that we know.
Yeah.
Okay? They bring you to this country. You come in. They change your name. They change your religion. They alter the Bible to teach you that it's okay to be a slave. They degrade your women and, you know, change their whole female generation to sleep with them and rape them. They take black men that's with family like uncles and they force them to sleep with their nieces, raping them, so it becomes a raping style. You take young boys, you take them to their other sides, you start turning them into gay men by making them do homosexual activities. Then you take black men to fight black men and watch them fight each other to the death. Now imagine you do that for 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, almost 400 years complete. What happens when you're a free black man? What did I change?
I mean,
I just kept that. Now
it's
I'm
still
going to
happening.
tell my children that.
Yep.
And now all of a sudden, all of us are doing the same thing, and it's just normal. That's just, that's what's how it is. That's not how it is. We was manipulated into a position where now it's okay to be violent, to be hatred, to hurt each other. We don't even like each other based on skin tone. Bro, that's a problem.
That's crazy.
Yeah, for real.
And if we can't find how to resolve that issue and reverse the mindsets that was placed on us, then like you said, it's been a long ass time, bro. Because we're so busy stuck in the old slave master mentality
Yep.
that we forgot who we truly are. And until we find ourselves, we're gonna always be the same typical black man that people say we are. Because you, as a black man right now, I know none of you guys, I know you personally.